This is my first video in Visualforce tutorial. So here I am going to discuss what is Visualforce page and how to create the Visualforce page in Salesforce side. So first, what is Visualforce? So Visualforce VF is a Salesforce older framework, UI framework that's allow developer to create the custom page in Salesforce using the HTML like a syntax. It is similar to how to we create the web page using HTML and CSS, but in Salesforce we use web tag like Apex page, Apex form, and that means we Visualforce is the older UI framework. In using Visualforce web page, you can create the web page in your Salesforce site. So a Visualforce page have a open syntax like this using apex prefix to page form like that. The second one is why use VF page in Salesforce. So in if you are using creative VF page, so this is the future to help VF page when we want to create. So first one is create the custom UI. If you want to create your custom UI in your Salesforce site, like a form, dashboard, and reports, so you can use web page. The second one is display the external data using call API to show the data. So this is the helpful for web page to display the data in your page. The third one is the customized page layout beyond the standard Salesforce UI. Suppose Salesforce also will provide the layout, but if you want to make your customized UI, customized page, so you can use the Visualforce page to customize the page. So this is the benefit to create using the Visualforce page to achieve these things. And now here is the definition from Aura, LWC, and VF page. What is the difference in these three? So it's future wise. Technology used the Visualforce page, the HTML-like syntax in Aura framework, custom Salesforce syntax supported, and Lightning Web Components support HTML, JS, and CSS syntax. The performance-wise, Visualforce page is slower because it is on server-side processing. The Aura component is faster than VF, but still depend on the Aura. And LW is the faster, use browser native API. So if you am talking about data binding, so VF is also bit two-way binding and Aura also bit two-way binding, but LWC is a one-way binding means if you change any value in VF page, like if you change the variable value in UI side, so it is reflect on Apex side, Apex to change, so it is reflect on server side, so vice versa are possible in VF page and Aura component, but in LWC only one way binding, so that's the reason it is better, so the better performance and reusability is the hard to be a page and also be Aura, but not in LWC the higher reusability component. Now in use case to classic standard app, so you can see it Visualforce page in classic Salesforce app. The Aura is the older Lightning app. And now modern Salesforce UI is the LWC. So this is the difference in these three. Now, when to use the Visualforce versus Lightning. So if you are confusing about okay, where we are using the VF and where I am using the LWC, so here they use the Visualforce page when you are working with Salesforce Classic. Suppose you are still working on the Salesforce Classic, so you can go to the VF page. Now second is you need to generate the PDF. You need some requirement to create the generate PDFs. So you can use VF to easily add this property to automatically generate the PDF. So this is the future of web page. The second one is you are working with older Salesforce application. The first you want to embed the external website in Salesforce. You also be used to be a page to external website embedded in your Salesforce site using VF. Use Lightning web page. If you are using the Lightning LWC, so you are binding the new API UI component in Salesforce, faster performance, mobile friendly and scalable UI. You are working in Lightning experience, the use in Lightning, this thing. So now I'm going to show the demo how to create the VF page in our Salesforce org. So this is my Salesforce org. Now I'm going to developer console, and in this developer console, just remove close all tab, and now I'm going to new and go Visualforce page option. Here I'm giving the name of my first VF page, so I'm my first VF. Now create. So you can see it already. I have a one VF page section inside whatever I want to show. So now I am using one H1, and now this is my first VF page. Okay, and save it. Now you here you can see the preview option, so just click and show it. Now you can see this is your VF page look like. So so this is the way to create the VF page in your Salesforce org. Now you can use VFs. First we are retrieving all VF page. Here is the Visualforce page option. Just click and retrieve all the Visualforce page. Okay, it is retrieved all Visualforce page in my org, and now you can see it. The page section here is all VF page. Now you can right click and create the Visualforce page here. Just click and put your VF page name, and you can create the VF page using VS Code. So this is the second way to create the VF page.